Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today's video is a collaboration with my NailTube friends and the theme is Seasons. These are the manicures that we prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. For my base, I chose different colors which I'll have listed in the description box. I also applied my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat to get ready for stamping with my EJIUBAS Plus Sarah R1 stamping plate. After stamping the first nail, I decided I wanted to add a little bit more bling, so I chose these Beauty Big Bang flakies to add to all the nails. And I'm really glad I did because I love the way it turned out. Then I continued to stamp the rest of the nails using different colors and different images. To complete the look, I use a couple of rhinestones to add to the center of each flower. And the manicure is complete. I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!